Everybody fucking jump!
Alright, true believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Boss Vegeta one here. If you guys don't know, I buy 2 pairs of every shoe. Every Nike and Jordan GR each year. So if you guys like Nike and Jordan, please drop a like for this channel. Let's get you guys a little bit of box action. It's been slow in the sneaker community. There hasn't been too many shoes that people want to see. Give it a chance to focus. This shoe reached the Air Jordan 4 Retro Black White and Tour Yellow, aka the Jordan 4 Retro Yellow Thunder 4s. Or Lightning 4s, whatever you prefer to call them. Shoe out of the box. Just light off. Take a look at the shoe. Make sure this is one of the moldies. Not bad. You guys see the top of the shoe first. Not a bad shoe in my opinion. Move this camera back a bit. People are going crazy. I think this is an early pair. I can't remember when they came out. I had these like a couple months ago. I'm gonna let go of a couple pairs today. So I said let me put these up here before I get rid of a couple. Weren't too hard to get in my opinion. Quality on this shoe is, in my opinion, is very, very good. There's one little spot on the bottom of the shoe, but not much. Another top view. The name of the shoe in the description. You see all black suede or nubuck. Yellow Thunder hits. Jumpman on the back with the 4 tab, as you know. More yellow. Basically the same on this side, black netting, so you won't have to worry about it fading, at least with the yellow backdrop. Yellow bottom with air bubble. More yellow netting, for those who like the netting. Standard Jordan 4 bottom, black with a hint of yellow. Overall, a pretty good 4. Let me know if you guys are going for this 4. Or you're trying to get a pair of these 4s. Or will you be trying to get a pair of these 4s whenever they drop for the public? Size is different. You're interested in the 7.5. Check my website. Give you guys a look at what the shoe's going to look like when it's going to be on your feet. Those are what shoes you guys will see on the channel next. You know what shoes you guys are buying. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!